Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very big thing. Let me clear something to adjust this. Okay, hope you can see this. We have this monitor from Lenovo, and it's a 24-inch, more specifically 23.8-inch display. It's not 4K kind of thing. It's HD screen, 1920 by 1080, BGA HDMI dual stand, and more specifically, it has a AMD FreeSync technology, which is I think great, and the design you can see it's bezel-less. Let's move of details on this side and this side also. Okay, so price and everything will come later. Let's open this first.
This Lenovo D24-20 has exactly 23.8-inch screen size, and also there is three side near edgeless displays, and the resolution is 1920 by 1080p and 16:9 aspect ratio with VA panel. Then it has the 75 Hz refresh rate with 4 millisecond response time. So this is more like day-to-day daily uses monitor, not for the gamers, because 4 millisecond response time is lot for gamers. This can process 16.7 million colors with 250 lux per meter square intensity, and the 1000:1 contrast ratio. That is great if you are watching any content like Netflix or Prime videos, then it will really use that thing there. And it has the 178-degree viewing angle, so if the monitor is tilted or you are looking from the side, it won't affect the color or those kind of thing. So currently this monitor on Flipkart is like 12,000. I got it like 8,000 something on offer. So you can buy 12,000, or you can wait for this offer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notification.